Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of the 6-inch boning knife from BOLEXINO, a versatile tool designed for precision and ease in your kitchen. This knife boasts a flexible straight blade made from German stainless steel X50 CRMOV15, known for its enhanced rust and corrosion resistance, ensuring durability and a longer edge life. The sharp tip and blade allow you to effortlessly pierce and slice through meat, fish, and even fruits and vegetables, making it an essential tool for both raw and cooked preparations. Its non-slip soft grip handle is ergonomically designed to provide the perfect balance between the handle and the thin blade, ensuring easy movement and protecting your fingers during use. With an overall length of 11.5 inches and a 6-inch blade, this knife is perfect for trimming brisket and beef fat with precision. For optimal performance and longevity, wash it with warm water and dry it completely after each use, avoiding prolonged immersion in water. Elevate your culinary skills with the BOLEXINO flexible straight boning knife, and experience the ease and precision it brings to your kitchen tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.